Earth, our cradle, our only home. For millennia, we gazed at the stars, dreaming of forever. But forever was shattered. The Third World War scorched the land. Cities fell silent, their lights extinguished by fire and fear. Humanity teetered on the edge of extinction. The air was thick with memory and loss. The powerful nations, desperate, fled to the stars, leaving Earth behind. We, the forgotten, remained, guardians of a wounded world. In the ashes, a new vision was born. The United Earth Empire, UEE, rose to unite the last of us. Under one banner we rebuilt. We endured, forging hope from despair. But the scars of war ran deep. The world was changed, its future uncertain. To survive, we turned to the impossible. Hibernation, the last hope for a dying species. Generations slept beneath the earth, dreaming of a new dawn. Centuries passed in silence, the world healed, and time became legend. In the year 2500 we awoke. The world was reborn, strange, beautiful and unknown. The past lingers in every shadow, but hope stirs in every heart. We are the children of crisis, the architects of tomorrow. The journey begins anew. Sword of Earth 2500.